Who am I? You sure you want to know? The story of my life is not for the faint of heart. If somebody said it was a happy little tale, if somebody told you I was just your average, ordinary guy, not a care in the world, somebody lied.
Peter, may I introduce my father, Norman Osborn?
Heard so much about you.
Great honor to meet you, sir.
Harry tells me you're quite the science whiz. You know, I'm something of a scientist myself.
I read all your research on nanotechnology. Really brilliant.
And you understood it?
Yes, I wrote a paper on it.
Impressive. Your parents must be very proud.
I live with my aunt and uncle. They are proud.
There are over 32,000 known species of spider in the world. They're in the order Arachnidae.
Spiders can change their color to blend into their environment.
Really?
Yeah, it's a defense mechanism.
Synthesize transfer RNA to encode the entirely new genome, combining the genetic information from all 3 spiders into these 15 genetically designed super spiders. There's 14. I beg your pardon? One's missing.
Now I'm asking you for the last time. We can't do this.
Don't be a coward. Risks are part of laboratory science. In 2 weeks, we'll have lost the contract request and Oscorp will be dead. Sometimes, you gotta do things yourself.
40,000 years of evolution and we barely even tapped the vastness of human potential.
Peter, these are the years when a man changes into the man he's going to become the rest of his life. Just be careful who you change into. This guy, Flash Thompson, he probably deserved what happened. But just because you can beat him up, doesn't give you the right to. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility.
Peter, the Science Award. That's terrific.
Yeah.
I know this has been a difficult time for you. But I want you to try to enjoy this day. Commencement. The end of one thing. The start of something new.
I missed him a lot today.
I know. I miss him too. But he was there.
I can't help thinking about the last thing I said to him. He tried to tell me something important, and I threw it in his face.
You loved him, and he loved you. You never doubted the man you'd grow into. How you were meant for great things. You won't disappoint him.
He throws up his hands, ropes come out, and he climbs up the ropes like a spider web.
I see the web, and it's his signature, and I know Spider-Man was here.
The guy protects us, you know? He protects the people.
Wait! Who are you?
You know who I am.
I do?
Your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. I was late for work and Dr. Connors fired me.
You were late again? I don't get it. Where do you go all the time?
Around.
Hey, Pete, you're probably looking for a job now, right? Dad, maybe you can help him out.
No, I appreciate it, but I'll be fine.
It's no problem. I'll make a few calls.
No, I couldn't accept it, sir. I like to earn what I get. I can find my own work.
I respect that. You want to make it on your own, Steve. That's great.
You're an amazing creature, Spider-Man. You and I are not so different.
I'm not like you. You're a murderer.
Well, to each his own. I chose my path, you chose the way of the hero. And they found you amusing for a while, the people of this city. But the one thing they love more than a hero is to see a hero fail, fall, die trying. In spite of everything you've done for them, eventually they will hate you. Why bother?
Because it's right.
So where are you going after you graduate?
I want to move into the city, get a job as a photographer, work my way through college. What about you?
Headed for the city, too. Can't wait to get out of here. I want to act on stage.
Well, that's perfect. You're awesome in all the school plays.
Really?
Yeah. I cried like a baby when you played Cinderella.
Peter, that was first grade.
Well, even so, sometimes you know people. You can just see what's coming.
What do you see coming for you?
I don't know. Whatever it is, it's something I never felt before.
What for me?
For you, you're gonna light up Broadway. When you look in her eyes, and she's looking back in yours, everything feels not quite normal, because you feel stronger and weaker. At the same time, you feel excited, and at the same time, terrified. The truth is, you don't know what you feel, except you know what kind of man you want to be. It's as if you've reached the unreachable, and you weren't ready for it.
Spider-Man! This is why only fools are heroes. Because you never know when some lunatic will come along with the sadistic choice. Let die the woman you love, or suffer the little children. Make your choice, Spider-Man, and see how a hero is rewarded.
Don't do it, Goblin!
We are who we choose to be. Now choose!
Mr. Osborn,
Peter, thank God for you.
you killed those people on that balcony.
The Goblin killed. I had nothing to do with it.
Don't let him take me again. I beg you. Protect me.
You tried to kill Aunt May. You tried to kill Mary Jane.
But not you. I tried to stop it. I couldn't stop it. I would never hurt you. I knew from the beginning. If anything ever happened to me, it was you that I could count on. You, Peter Parker, would save me, and so you have. Thank God for you. Give me your hand. Believe in me, as I believed in you. I've been like a father to you. Be a son to me now.
I have a father. His name was Ben Parker.
Godspeed, Spider-Man.
Oh.
Peter. Don't tell Harry.
I'm so sorry, Harry. I know what it's like to lose a father.
I didn't lose him. He was stolen from me. One day, Spider-Man will pay. I swear on my father's grave, Spider-Man will pay. Thank God for you, Peter. You're the only family I have.
There's something I've been wanting to tell you. When I was up there, and I thought I was gonna die, there was only one person who I was thinking of. There's only one man who's always been there for me, who makes me feel like I'm more than I ever thought I could be. The truth is, I love you. Oh, I love you so much, Peter.
I can't.
You can't what?
Tell you everything. I mean, there's so much to tell.
Yeah, there's so much to tell.
I want you to know that I will always be there for you. I will always be there to take care of you. I promise you that. I will always be your friend.
Only your friend? Peter Parker?
That's all I have to give. All I wanted was to tell her how much I loved her. No matter what I do, no matter how hard I try, the ones I love will always be the ones who pay. Whatever life holds in store for me, I will never forget these words. With great power comes great responsibility. This is my gift, my curse. Who am I? I'm Spider-Man.